Do you feel like your hair is ruined beyond repair? Has it seen way better days? Have no fear, you can save even the most distraught hair. Hair damaged by bleaching, heat, straightening, chlorine, salt water, and more. Simply get yourself some coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural way to repair your hair, and it's even edible. Just spread a spoonful throughout the ends of your locks, working it up almost to the roots. Now clip your hair on top of your head and wrap it with a plastic grocery bag. Use a hair dryer to heat your hair for about 5 minutes. If things get too hot, just take a break, then reheat. I usually read a magazine during this part. Next, simply wash your hair at the roots. Then work the shampoo down to the ends of your hair. Rinse the shampoo out and finish with conditioner. Apply the conditioner to the ends of the hair and work it up to the roots. Your hair will see immediate results. In order to better care for my hair, I only wash every 4th day unless necessary. This is healthier for your hair, and you can even use dry shampoo between washes. I literally do a coconut oil treatment every 4 days to keep my hair looking healthy, and you can too. Thanks for watching The Classy Cheapskate. See you next time.